Emmanuel Chukwu, he wasn't just rich. He was Liberia's top Nigerian businessman. He owned 2 cargo ships. He ran multiple companies. He had over $89 million in assets. Some even called him the most powerful foreign investor in Monrovia. But then Charles Taylor happened. His fighters launched a rebellion. They turned Nigerians into targets. People were dragged from their homes. Some were tied up and set on fire. Others were accused of spying for Samuel Doe and never seen again. And Nigeria, silent. The government looked away. So Emmanuel stepped up. He used his 2 cargo ships to evacuate Nigerians. Over 1,000 people. He paid for everything himself. He was bribing fighters at checkpoints. He gave up his brand new Mercedes to free hostages. One man said he thought he was dead. He thought he was going to die until Emmanuel pulled him onto that ship. Docks were chaos. Mothers holding crying babies. Students with only school bags on their backs. He didn't just save them. He gave these people a future, a chance. When he tried to live with his own family, they had to bribe at every point. Border by border, they were bribing until they caught a test flight from Cote d'Ivoire. Luckily, that plane took off. Boom! The airport was bombed right behind them. You would think that after that, Nigeria would honor him, right? He's a hero, right? No, nothing. No compensation, no housing, no aid. Every government since Babangida has ignored him. And the money that he spent, gone.